Market experts accept elon could reach $0 2025. Bearish Dogelon Mars market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Dogelon Mars presentation. Dogelon Mars is one of a few Doge-themed crypto tokens accessible last year in 2021. Dogelon Mars isn't just a digital currency yet, in addition a person in a comic series that is accessible for buy as non-fungible tokens. Amusingly, you can get them with Ethereum. Despite the fact that this cryptographic money has a huge and enthusiastic local area, there are various motivations to be careful about it. This digital currency guide will reveal all that you want to be aware of Dogelon Mars and its elements. By and by, our essential spotlight will stay on the Dogelon Mars cost expectation from 2022 to 2030. Tokenomics of Dogelon Mars environment. Dogelon Mars digital money is known as ELON, and it is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain that was sent off in April 2021. It's called ELON, and it's named after Elon Musk. He is an ally and financial backer in Dogecoin. It has great tokenomics, and Dogelon Mars is recorded on major decentralized trades with numerous symbolic matches. Poloniex offers the ELON USDT market pair. In such trades, a record can be opened utilizing a name or an email address. The Dogelon Mars digital currency has circulated around the web via online entertainment and acquired media consideration. Individuals have started putting resources into the token. In October, the cost of Dogelon Mars ELON expanded in excess of multiple times and gave an enormous return. The organization then rose to the 150th situation with regards to advertised capitalization. There was no token presale on the grounds that it is a fair widespread cryptographic money. In the wake of sending half of the coins to Vitalik Buterin, the leftover portion of the tokens are secured the Uniswap liquidity pool as ELON and ETH matches, which will remain until the end of time. They additionally put 40 ETH in the liquidity pool, worth around $100,000 at that point. Dogelon Blemishes Group then consumed the liquidity supplier tokens they got, keeping them from pulling out or gathering any of Uniswap's liquidity rewards, which will just accumulate over the long run. The Dogelon Mars originators cannot do so on the grounds that they consumed the tokens they got for saving assets into the task. Maybe that is the motivation behind why Dogelon Mars presents itself as a task pointed toward fixing the harm done by cryptographic money tricksters. How does Dogelon Mars work? Dogelon Mars is an Ethereum blockchain put together ERC20 token accessible with respect to Uniswap, which can be traded for other digital currencies. Dogelon Mars will be extended, as indicated by the group. In late 2021, a venture declaration expressed that crypto marking would be accessible soon by means of another $XELON administration token. Likewise, the engineers are chipping away at an NFT assortment. ELON has been available for a long time, making the possibilities of the coin being a trick somewhat low. Assuming you're pondering where to purchase Dogelon Mars, the top digital currency trades for exchanging Dogelon Mars stock right currently are OKX, MEXC, CoinTiger, KuCoin, and DigiFinex. Dogelon Mars is right now worth $0. ELON has moved 2.28% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,554,834. Dogelon Mars is right now positioned 687 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $114,725,612 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Dogelon Mars to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Dogelon Mars market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2023. Dogelon Mars, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The ELON cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. ELON is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Dogelon Mars ELON cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ELON will before long outperform $0. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the ELON's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers, taking into account the market instability. ELON will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. ELON might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ELON is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Dogelon Mars effectively helps market feeling among digital money lovers, the ELON coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ELON will be green in 2026. The ELON is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ELON cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2027, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, ELON has a most extreme value worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. In the event that ELON figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help ELON needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2029. While ELON is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2029. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Dogelon Mars will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme ELON cost in 2031 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. And, as indicated by Dogelon Mars cost expectation, future costs will be bullish, and Dogelon Mars will be a wise speculation. Be that as it may, ELON's development not entirely settled by the condition of the market at that point, as there is no connection between the Dogelon Mars ongoing worth and its future cost. It is, nonetheless, subject to the variables that arise during the market's development and improvement stage. These are the elements that will shape an ELON's future. On the other hand, you could investigate the subject. Token holders can assist you with settling on a first-time purchaser in this market. In any case, on account of the unpredictable idea of the crypto market, foreseeing the specific worth of any single cash in advance is troublesome.